Something a little bit different today, folks. Here we are in DCS, following the multi-threaded update that came out earlier in the year, and making use of the exe file that exists within the MT folder. Not only enables the multi-threaded version of DCS, but it also makes use natively of the OpenXR pipeline, and the performance in this sim following these couple of changes is absolutely exceptional. I'm sat here on an aircraft carrier, arguably just about the most demanding segment of the game, and I am getting a very, very steady 90 frames per second. Now, I don't have everything maxed out, but equally I don't have everything on low settings either. Anyone who's followed the channel for a while will know I'm using a 5800 X3D and an RTX 4090, so certainly quite a beefy system. But this, and I don't really know why I've not tried this any sooner since the multi-threaded update came out, but this is genuinely the first experience I've had of a true 90 frames per second in the sim. And just to show you just how well it's working, let's get ourselves launched up in the air. And this, I mean, it just looks incredible. It looks incredible DCS anyway at the best of times, but buttery smooth 90 frames per second running at the native refresh rate of the Reverb G2 that I'm using here. It's absolutely incredible. So just getting ourselves onto the catapult here. The young man in front of me is about to make some rude gestures at me. I appreciate the FPS windows are a little bit difficult for you to see in the mirror window, but I've got the OpenXR toolkit frame counter on here as well, and I mean, it occasionally drops down to 88 or 89, but it really, I mean, honestly, given just how demanding this part of DCS is, if you can get 90 frames per second on the carrier, the second that you're up in the air, you're going to be getting that as well. So, a salute. Afterburner. Oh, let's make sure our stab trim is where it needs to be. Incredible performance. Absolutely incredible performance. Solid 91 frames per second throughout that. Remember, go into your DCS folder, find the MT folder. There are two EXEs. It's the one in the MT folder that you want. Create a shortcut for that. And if you're using a Windows mixed reality headset or something like the Varjo Aero, you not only will be getting that multi-threaded support, but you'll be getting native OpenXR support, which means you can use things like the OpenXR toolkit, foveated rendering, and. But this is a sensational update from Igor Dynamics. Awesome. If you've not tried it like me, go check it out, and I think you will be very happy with the performance. As always, I hope you're very well wherever in the world you are. Stay safe in the skies, and I will see you in my next one.